Ever struggled with maintaining discipline in your high school classroom? You're not alone. Classroom discipline is a crucial aspect of effective teaching and learning, but it's not always a walk in the park, especially in high school settings. From incessant chatter to outright defiance, teachers often grapple with a myriad of challenges when it comes to keeping their classes in check. Don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll describe simple yet effective strategies to easily tackle high school discipline. First, let's discuss one-on-one discipline. It's an invaluable tool when dealing with disruptive behavior in a high school setting. This approach is centered around respect and understanding. Speak softly to the student. There's no need to raise your voice. This helps to de-escalate the situation and encourages the student to do the same. Move the student out of earshot of their peers. This creates a safe space where they don't feel judged or embarrassed. Respect their personal space, which reinforces their feeling of safety. Try the sandwich approach. This is when you sandwich the corrective measure between positive ideas. First, start by acknowledging a positive quality in the student. Second, address the issue at hand and suggest how they can improve. Third, conclude by explaining the benefits of this improvement, not just to them, but also to those around them. This method ensures that the discipline is constructive and well received by the student. Remember, the aim is to address the issue without undermining the student's self-esteem. Next, we'll delve into the strategies for disciplining an entire class. When the class gets noisy, resist the urge to raise your voice above theirs. Instead, bring an air of calm and control by simply stopping whatever you're doing. Be obvious about your pause, making sure the class is aware that you're watching them intently. It's helpful to have a clipboard or notebook in hand. Start taking notes, directing your gaze towards the problem areas of the classroom. This nonverbal communication sends a clear message that you're aware of the situation and taking action. These notes aren't just for show either. Use them for individual student conferences after class. You can decide whether the situation calls for assigning detention, sending emails home, writing office reports, or perhaps, if order was regained, doing nothing at all. The focus here is to regain control of the class without resorting to yelling or threats. Lastly, let's talk about the role of choices in discipline. Remember, discipline isn't about dictating, it's about guiding. Reminding students they have a choice in the outcome of a situation is a powerful strategy. When they understand their power in shaping their own experiences, it's transformative. They realize, I can choose to disrupt and face consequences, or I can choose to cooperate and enjoy my free time after class or after school. It's not just about discipline, it's about life lessons. By making students aware of their choices, we empower them to take responsibility for their actions. Let's recap. Effective discipline in a high school classroom involves a mix of strategies. These include one-on-one discipline, whole class discipline, and always reminding students of their choices. Remember, maintaining discipline is not about exerting power, but about fostering a respectful and conducive learning environment.